the rock away, the easiest and most efficient way to quickly remove rock and debris from your soil. In this short highlight video, I'm going to show you the key benefits of owning a rock away and why you'll never manually rake again. In order for the rock away to be used with your existing bucket, 2 small holes will have to be added, one on each side, in order to allow the rock away to be securely attached to your bucket. To attach your rock away to your prefabricated bucket, simply insert a pin in each side as depicted in the arrows in this video, and you're ready to go. If you prefer to leave your rock away attached to a dedicated bucket, this installation shows you how quick and easy it can be. Simply line up your quick attach plate and let it drop into place. Next, you're going to have to connect the 2 hydraulic lines to your tractor or skid steer, and you're ready to go. When you're ready to start collecting rock and debris, simply drive your rock away in reverse to allow the teeth to start digging into the soil and collecting the rocks into the bucket. For extremely hard and rocky soil, more than one pass with the rock away may be needed to accomplish your desired results. In addition to collecting rocks with the rock away, you can also use it while driving forward to level out mounds of soil. Not only is a rock away easy to collect rocks, it's also easy to get rid of them. Simply raise your rock away over the area which you wish to dump and simply shake it till all the stones are free.